Okay, you guys, yes, I'm addicted to James Arthur Impossible. Like, literally, I play it like 5 times in a row, in a row, in a row. Like, that is one, like, song that can make me work out, make me do anything. I know. I love it. I love the way he sings it. Ugh, I love James Arthur. If you guys don't know him, he is freaking amazing. I want him to come to concert, but this is not about music today, you guys. And no, I'm not trying to look fancy, okay? Or bougie, because that's not me. But it is freaking freezing here in New York, just so you guys know. So, are you guys ready? Number 1, please subscribe to our amazing channel. I am literally 15 away from 13K. I was at 13K. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Every time I upload, I lose. But I gain, and it keeps going, you guys. I don't know what to do anymore. But hopefully after this video, you guys, you find me, you like our channel, you subscribe so I can do our 13K giveaway because it's bomb. And I can't do it until I'm literally at 13K. So, oh, this is Sabrina Faith on Twitter. I love her. I don't know if you guys watch her, but she's awesome. Let's get into this, you guys. This is the Beautylish box. I'm going to be totally honest with you. All right, I did take a little sneak peek, a little. Because I opened it up, right? And I thought it was a bag, but it's not a bag. That goes to show you how much I know. It's wrapping paper like this, which is really cute. I think it's Chinese New Year, something like that. I could be wrong. I watched videos after videos after videos on this, you guys. And I'm going to be honest with you. I think mine's the best box. I'm not even going to lie. I think mine is the best box. I don't know. To myself. Do you know what I mean? To me. Maybe, you know, a lot of other people, I see that they're happy, but I see a lot of people that are not happy. And I'm like, I think I got an awesome box. So you guys ready for it? Because I'm ready to show you. So it comes like this, like I just showed you. And it's not a bag. It's literally not a bag. It's called the Lucky Bag by Beautylish. So I'm going to open the paper. And then it comes with all this black. Everything is stuffed in this black paper. Are you guys ready? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is a mask, First Care Activating Mask. I cannot pronounce this. I'm super sorry. I'm sure it's good. I am sure it's good. It is imported from, where is it? Is this from Canada? No, made in Korea. So, Korean skincare is absolutely amazing, so it's got to be good. Super, super excited. Can't wait to try it. I don't like my hair today. Can't wait to try it. You guys are probably like, what the hell is wrong with this girl? Alright, so the next thing I got, you ready? I don't know if it's an eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it is. But all I see is, oh, Jouer Skinny Dip Collection Powder Highlight. You guys, I don't own anything from Jouer except for their lipstick that I got at Generation Beauty. Yeah, that's what I got. So it looks like this. Oh, look, there's stuff all over it. I hope it's not broke. I hope it, oh, you guys, look. That is broke. That sucks so bad. Ah. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can just swatch for you guys. That's like literally like crumbled. Beautylish. If you see this, please send me another one because it's so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. But I mean, that's pretty bad. Like really, really, really bad. Ah, I hate that. Okay. All right. So maybe I didn't get the best box ever. Here I am saying I took a little sneak peek. Like, couldn't wait to show you guys. All right. The next thing I'm getting is a Wayne Goss brush, which I'm dying to try. Dying to try his brushes, you guys, because they're really, really expensive. So I never purchased them, which I wanted like his whole set. Do you know what I mean? But they're so expensive. But I'm so grateful to have this in my Beautylish box. Yes, I am. Oh, you guys, it feels so, oh, it feels so good. I don't even want to get it dirty. That's how good it feels. I'm not even kidding you. Okay, the next thing I got is Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. What color is it? Let's see if it's red, you guys. I wear red all the time, you guys. I need to stop, probably. This is in, Oh, I don't know what color this is in, you guys, but it's beautiful. Is this Pillow Talk? What color is this? Because I have their liner in Pillow Talk, and it doesn't say, you guys. It does not say. It does not say the color on here. Am I bugging? I don't see the color. It just says Charlotte Tilbury, and it doesn't say anything at the bottom. Let's see if it says something at the bottom of here. What the frig? Alright, I can't see what it says, but the color is absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to try it. Super excited for that. This highlighter is all over my desk. Like, it is a complete mess. Then, what else did I get? Oh, you guys, I love this line. I love Orbe. If you could see my collection right there, I don't know if you guys can. I have so many Orbe products. You guys, this stuff is amazing. This is a texturizing spray, but it smells so good. Yes, there goes my dollar earrings. It smells so good. You have to check out Orbe. If you have not yet, I promise you guys, you will absolutely love this. I spray this on myself every day at work. I love freaking Orbe so, so much. All right, you guys, what else? I'm super excited for this. Hold on. All right, because the lighting was really, really bad. So let me just show you this Charlotte Tilbury again, because I absolutely freaking love it, love it, love it. So far, we got the Wayne Goss brush, in case the lighting was bad. We got the Wayne Goss brush, the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. We got the mask. We got this pure, Jouer highlighter. That's, I don't even want to tip it over, but it's so, yeah, it's so crumbled, you guys. I'm upset about that, but okay, it's just makeup at the end of the day. Do you know what I mean? I'm sure that Beautylish will send another one, not a big deal. Then we got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Yes, yes, yes. You guys, I bought my first Natasha Denona eye palettes at Beautylish because they're expensive. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get them. I'm going to do that easy pay thing that they have. And I bought the two that came out for the holiday. I'm wearing them on my eyes right now. I love friggin' Natasha Denona's eyeshadows. They have to be the best that I've ever tried in my entire life, you guys. I'm not kidding you. So what palette is this? This is eyeshadow palette number 5. Look at the colors on this. This is so freaking beautiful, you guys. It's not even funny. Let's just swatch a couple. Oh my God, I just can't. You guys, I don't know if you ever tried her eyeshadows, but when I tell you it's worth it, it's worth it. It is so worth it. Ah. Okay. It's so freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to rock it. Look at this. I absolutely love the green, the brown, everything. I love, these are my favorite by her. They're like the silky ones, like the more metallic shades. Oh, she makes the best metallic eyeshadows I have ever tried. I'm telling you guys, in my entire life. I am super happy about my box. I absolutely love it. I'm super grateful enough that I could purchase it, you know what I mean? Because it was $75, which to me was amazing because this eyeshadow palette itself, I think, is like 48 or 44, something like that. Wayne Goss's brush is 38 right there. Bam, paid for. But the only thing that, you know, is destroyed is that palette. So that is it for this box, you guys. I love everything I got. I'm grateful that I was able to buy it again. You know, like, what am I going to do? It broke. It is what it is. Hopefully, they'll send me another one out because I absolutely, look at that highlight. It's just so nice and dewy. Like, I'm not into that streaky highlight anymore. Like, I'm so over that, you guys. It's not even funny. So, listen. Subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave here. Give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. I want to start vlogging more. I want to start doing so many more things on my channel. I want to hit 13K. That is my goal right now. So if you could help me, that would be amazing. I am doing another video later on a little bit of a serious note topic there, if you want to call it. So stay tuned for the next one. But for now, I love you guys. Peace out. Have a great day. I will see you in the next one, and do not forget to subscribe. Makeup by Shay with 2 A's. Follow me on Instagram. Big thumbs up. Did I have lipstick on my teeth this whole time I did this video? Did I? Hold on, you guys, because you know I'm whacked. Oh, I'm like, wait a minute. Did I have lipstick on it? My Kat Von D mirror. I love her. Anyway, you guys. All right. So that is it for this video. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Peace out. Now let me take a thumbnail of how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this all back in here. See, this is what you got to do for a thumbnail. So I got to put this all back in here except for the crushed palette because I don't want it all over my awesome, amazing new products. So you got to do a thumbnail with this because it's just so cute, you guys. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. So if you guys listen, if you're new to my channel, if you want to leave, you can leave because at the end of my videos, I try to take a thumbnail because I suck at it and I'm so not tech savvy, like at all. Like, I mean, I'm awful, like really awful. So this is what I try to do. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If you see my face on my thumbnail, then you know it works. If you don't, then you know it didn't work and I just gotta take a picture of the bag. So let's try to do it like this. You know what? I'm taking the products out. I'm not ruining them. All right, let's see. Can I get this? Hold on, you guys. Hold on if you're still there. If you're not, it's okay. Yes. Yes. Maybe not. Did I get it? I don't know how these people take thumbnails, you guys. I don't have a remote control camera. I'm literally recording off of a camcorder. Yep, I'm still old school. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I don't care. I'm not changing it up. I'm not buying no $1,000 camera for what? Like, I'm just not doing it. So let me just try to do this like, yes. It's all good in the hood here, my friends. We don't care as long as it works. Beautylish. Bam. It doesn't say if the photo was taken. Or should I go like this? No, I would never do that. All right, you guys, peace out. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.